Yo, 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 this Elephant Man, the energy god, you know, sending some positive message your way. And I just want to say, I really sincerely apologize to the staff at the Sangsters International Airport and the Minister of Health and the people of Jamaica.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is the very first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the button now and the notification bell, so once we upload a video, you will be alerted. So people, dancehall entertainer Elephant Man came under fire yesterday after a voice note went viral all over social media claiming that the entertainer evaded quarantine testing. Now this voice note was recorded allegedly by a Jamaican customs officer who says that the entertainer lied on his declaration form about the countries he visited before returning to Jamaica. Now, since the voice note went viral, Elephant Man spoke out since then. But before then, let's take a listen to what the voice recording has to say.
An incident happened yesterday, and I am in no way binded by any secrecy act to share, and I'm going to share because I want persons to know. I didn't take to social media because I'm not that person, but I will share it with people and hope that the word will get around. Now, a popular dancehall act came to the airport yesterday with his entourage. They came off the flight from Brussels, and I asked him if he was in Germany, and he said no, and he did not declare it on his form. He was landed and sent through. He proceeded to stop at the Cambio, where a co-worker of mine, or on passing, heard him say he wished the whole we dead because he don't know the excitement for we have our mask and gloves. Now I'm talking about Elephant Man. Now, me not careful. Anybody can share this voice note. Share it, because at the end of the day, these are the things that are breaking down our society. The ignorance, arrogance, and just the lack of regard. Now, for any human being, whether in their right mind or not, to actually wish death upon persons who are working for their country in the country's best interest is not only distasteful, but it's disheartening, because we had on our gloves and our mask. No, he had no sense of self because he lied on his declaration form. That's one. That's an offense. He was asked by the officer, me, Crystal Hall, were you in Germany? He denied it. No, there were no stamps in the passport, because when you go to Europe and you move around in Europe, if you're not landed in a particular country, then you won't have a stamp because you can move freely through Europe, right? He was allowed to go. He and another colleague of his both of them did not declare going to Germany. Now, Germany is high risk. Germany is a country where coming from Germany, you're either going to be quarantined if you're Jamaican, or you're going to be sent back, right? If you're not Jamaican. Rygin King came up after. I did not process him. However, he was sent to health because he declared going to Germany. Now, upon his declaration, he made it known that Elephant Man was also in Germany, and I allowed him to go. Now, I'm explaining to him that he did not declare that he was in Germany. That's how he was sent through. To the point where police had to be called because of how Rygin King was behaving in the hall about being sent to health for simple health screening. Everybody who came was allowed to go to their yard. Now, bear in mind, these are persons that are coming from high-risk countries who potentially are or were exposed to the virus. And because of brutish force and loudness, they are gone to them yards. Bear in mind, these are all performers, so-called entertainers, who more than likely going to be mixing up amongst the general population. So whilst the government is stipulating certain practices, when it comes down to the ground level, certain things are still not being enforced.
Since the recording went viral, entertainer Rygin King also spoke out in regards to the voice note, as you heard, where the customs officer said that police had to be called to calm Rygin King down. But Rygin King spoke out and said since the situation, he has been home and self-quarantining.
Anyway, you know, good afternoon, my Jamaican people. You know, we come to address this matter, because this matter is serious, you know. Big up everybody, you don't know. Big up all of the fans, them. Hope everybody in the best of them health, you know. Yeah, dog. Anyway, you don't know, we come through the airport yesterday and you don't know, as you don't know, Rygin King tour them did cut short and them thing there. You see me? Well, want to reach back on me here because you don't know this virus thing with them say I go around and you see me? Anyway, I reach back on me yard safe and sound. Put myself in a quarantine, you know. But them people are kind of propel the situation or escalating or something where it's not, you understand? Because I mean, I'm my best, I'm alright, but I don't know, them say if I stay on me yard for 7 or 14 days to make sure, say, you know, them check my pressure and them check, what them say, what them check, them put something on my forehead. Yeah, check my fever. You see me, I'm good, so that them did I say. Them check my temperature. But they don't know me, a voice note I grow. I'm just making people them know, say, yo, I'm there in my yard, safe and sound, you know. Everything is alright, you know. As me I say, make sure I say on the day and on the best on the health and everything good. Everything is airy, you know. Yeah. I know me I travel for about I think 12 or more hours just to reach my yard, you know. So I'm kind of over-exhausted. You know, anyway, when we reach, kind of did frustrated about the whole thing. Make sure I lock up myself, you know, I keep myself, you know, as much as I can isolate from people, that's what I do, but I'm a public figure, you see me? So you don't know people are going to see and say, Rygin, oh, go on, you have to give them the elbow, you see me? I say, yo, oh, go on, rare, you see me? Wrap up my face, you know, from my head to my toe, wrap up, you see me? Come to the airport and them say, alright, Rygin King, them see my paper and realize I come through Germany. I never stay in Germany, my people. I transit through there. You understand? So the plane transit through Germany. Anyways, that the my paper. So them say, Rygin King, step aside. I say, alright, we step aside with them. You know, we comply to, you know, what them say. Them just give me one form and say if I feel away. If you make sure I call a number here and if you stay out of the reach of, you know. So, I then in a place I go and hold them a bill to body with them, man, you see me? You don't make the thing look like what it's not, you see me? If you don't have something bad to say, although I'm not supposed if I have nothing bad to say. How much good song, how much song may I do? Promote them, the brother, and stop promote some liquor, you know? Rumors, dog, you see me? Yeah, dog. For now, just as a Jamaica, big up, you see me? Make sure people are on the best on the health. And somehow, brother, when you stop propel the thing to where it's not, you see me? Just keep your surrounding safe and, you see me? Yeah, dog. Take care of the immune system and them sitting there. You see, bro? Yeah, dog.
Elephant Man had since come out and apologized to the health minister and to the Jamaica Customs for making mistakes in his declaration, but also did a little short interview with the Jamaica Star. So thanks to the Jamaica Star for this little clip that I'm about to show you.
Good night to the fans, them, you know? Well, a little incident go down at the airport, and as you can see, a voice note come out where one of the custom officers at the airport saying some stuff where really hurt me, because I said, like, how this Japanese, you understand? This not sound good, this not look good. Well, what happened? I was on tour in Europe. You know the world know that already. I was on tour in Europe for like 3 weeks, because we had to cut it short, because as you can see, everywhere quarantine, right? So anyway, when we're on the plane, we boarded from Brussels airport. When we're on the plane, forwarding back from Europe, you don't know, we get a custom form. So on the custom form it said, where you have been for the last 6 weeks. So I put Amsterdam on my own, because that's the last show I did. Because everything started lockdown and we said, well, for the best thing, me say for do right now, I feel. You know, just cut the thing short and go home, because everybody has closed them border and we have problem all about. You understand? Anyway, reach a Jamaica now. On the flight, you don't know, you have Rygin King manager, you have a couple dancers, you don't know. All the way I come back from you. Anyway, when we reach a Jamaica, walk off of the plane, come straight round to the immigration. Reach to the immigration officer. I under my paper. When I under my paper, you know, she look on it and she said, oh, Amsterdam. I say, yeah, I've been to Amsterdam. So she said, have you been to any other places? I say, yeah, I've been to Sweden, I've been to Berlin, and I've been to Amsterdam. You understand? Because they can't say the tour are cut up. So, and a lot of it, we have to, as I say, we cut short because everywhere closed down. So, the next thing she said to me, the address. I'm gonna say, yeah, Kingston 6. And she give me back the paper and she said, right, have a good day. I'm gonna go through. So when I pass and go through, I stop at the money exchange, you know, because I head to Kingston now, so I have to get some Jamaican to pay the vehicle to carry me go back to Kingston. So when we reach the money exchange, you have about 8 girls in there or so. You know, they run like a joke and we attack, everybody have a good time. Nobody hear me say, my people and we are protect our life. We have on gloves and have on them masks. We all of the excitement fan, the whole of them for dead. The lady we send out the voice note say her friend pass and overhear me. I hear me saying that them are going with them excitement. That's a lie. Yes, you can't go put. You can't do that. You understand? I would never say nothing like that. Remember, say, this is not a joke thing. So we just have a death in a man level there. Somebody passed away today. So this is not a joke thing. You understand? This is not a joke thing. So you can't send out them voice note there. A definition of character that you try tarnish me thing like I'm so stupid. Where me I go come off of the plane, me I go left Europe and know that the whole world under pressure with this thing here. And me I go come and me I go make them statement that come on, you can't say that, you can't do that. When I get my paper and when she give me back the custom farm, when we stop at the money place, the money exchange, when we leave this up, I go pick up my bag. When I pick up my bag, I get another custom officer the paper, I go meet the vehicle and I drive out. When I was going through, nobody stopped me and said, well, you know, say we have a quarantine thing I go on where. Nobody said that to me. You understand? I'm down. So normally me check say when me go home, so like when me come home from last night, see that me there in my yard. You understand? Me there in my yard, me a quarantine myself. Me there in my yard because me I say, this thing serious and I like say, as me come on my yard, me go on the road. No, it's serious, so me come on me there in my yard. You see me? I'm there in my yard and me a quarantine myself. Anybody want to find elephant, them know where to find me. Everybody have my number. See me call everybody from Star and Gleaner and the world find my number because everybody knows. So if the minister help reach out and say, Energy God, we are quarantined, out quarantine, where I'm ready, I'm down, and I've been home doing it. So, you know, no disrespect. And me say right now, me that just come and make the fans them really know and hear my side.
Well, alright, viewers, there you have it. Start me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. You understand? What do you think about what the customs officer said in regards to this whole thing? And also, what do you think about Rygin King's response and Elephant Man's response to this whole thing? Do you think that Elephant Man intentionally not state where he been just to avoid being quarantined? Or do you think it's as he said, him just literally figured because him did tired and all of them things there? What do you think? Talk to me down below and let me know what you, the viewers, have to say in regards to this whole situation. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Once again, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and hit that subscribe button. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.